In this video we are going to understand how to round off the numbers. It's basically like you are giving some decimal values, let's say 2.1, and it says after round off this is 2. Let's say 2.7, and it says after round off the value is 3. So how do we round off the numbers in Scratch? It's basically very simple. You are taking a variable and you are setting the default value to 0, so that to get accurate results, and not to get the garbage values. So you are asking like enter the number which is to be round off, then you give some value, like you say 2.1, 2.7, something like that. That will be stored here in this answer variable by default. And so what you have to do is you have to round this value, round off. So there is a function in mathematical library that you in the operators you can see here. You have this round function, you can say, and or operator, you can say. So inside this you have to pass this value, and you have to store this variable. You have to store the result of this function or this operator in some variable. So you are choosing this rounded answer variable and you are storing it here, and after that you are printing the result. So when you are printing the result, you are using the join operation, where this is the text message and this is the result, some value which is to be displayed on the screen. So basically round off is done with this round operator. So one more time, let's say you have 3.4, so it says 3, and let's say we have some 5.6, so it says 6.